Are you noticing that as you move up in levels, you are required to hit some different shots? Probably. You may have noticed that you need a shot to help you to get from the baseline to the non-volley zone, something that works in the transition area. That would be the reset shot. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite reset shot drill. Stay tuned. Everybody, it's CJ Johnson. If you are new here, welcome to Better Pickleball. We specialize in helping the player over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. You never want to miss another video, so hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification. As you become a better player, you need to learn to control the pace of the ball. So when a hard shot is hit back to you, you don't necessarily or automatically hit it hard back to your opponents. You have the ability to hit a soft shot or a reset shot. Today, I am going to share my favorite drill. I'll drive the ball, take a couple steps into the court, wait for that hard hit shot to come back to my feet, and try to hit the ball softly into the kitchen so that my opponent has to bend down, can no longer attack, and now I'll be free to come into the non-volley zone. Kathy's going to feed to me. I'm going to drive the ball, come into the court slightly, and hit a reset back into the kitchen. All right, the ball's in. I'm in the kitchen. And then you're in. Now that you know a little bit more about the reset shot, click on this playlist right over here. There's a few more videos to help you to hit this shot. If you got value today, give this a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.